Hey everyone, my name is Shawn Mathew, and today I will be doing the iced water experiment, aka the instant ice turnip experiment. So, what it consists of is we're gonna have some purified water. I went ahead and just put this in the freezer for about, they say, 2 hours and 45 minutes, and we'll see how this goes. So what we're gonna do first is we're just gonna take this water, and I'm gonna go ahead and just snap or just like agitate it a little bit and see if it does anything. So here goes nothing. There you go. All right. Thought I could do. Oh, I do see some ice particles here. Kind of like agitated a little bit, and I got some ice particles. If y'all could kind of sort of see it. So I'll just go ahead and just kind of shake this up. So you kind of see a little bit, you see some of the ice just kind of slowly developing in a sense. So now it just kind of makes it look like more of a slushy vibes. So you can kind of see a little bit of those ice molecule, or just the ice kind of slowly forming. So it's like slowly like forming into that. Alrighty. So then the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just see if I can put some water in it and then try it that way. I'm gonna try with the other one here. So I'm gonna pour this out. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little sample of some ice and see if this actually works. Interesting. So I guess this doesn't work. I'm gonna leave the ice in there for a little bit and see if it does anything extraordinary, which I guess not. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try with the other bottle, because I already put like 3 bottles in there, and to see if and they all went in the freezer at the same time. So all right, let's see with this third one. So the third one, I got a little container of ice. I'm gonna try to see if I can make a little ice slushy out of any of this. So, and I guess I kind of sort of have something. Yeah, well, I kind of sort of have a little something if I kind of look at it. So you can kind of see on here, you see a little lump of ice that's climbing up there. If I kept this going, I would have like probably got something out of it. Let's see. And I'm probably not. Okay. Well, that's interesting. So I guess my experiment didn't go so well for this final experiment. I was kind of anticipating something to happen. So what the purpose of the experiment? Oopsies. The purpose of the experiment is so that when ice freezes, the water forms small crystals that gradually spread. And when you get to that point where it starts slowly to crystallize, as it was kind of working in that process of being crystallized, you can literally pour the water, and then the minute you pour the water, it tends to freeze. And whenever you pour it over an ice cube, it triggers the crystals to form faster than they normally would. So I kind of believe that one of the flaws that I didn't that didn't go so well with my end of the experiment is possibly just leaving the water a little bit more in the freezer. They did say 2 hours and 45 minutes, but a good disclaimer maybe is to like minimum 2 hours 45 minutes. Add in a little extra like 15 minutes into it before it freezes, because the minute it starts, like once you get to that point, you like then it'll be able to like freeze and to create all the crystals that you would probably normally would see, and if the experiment went correctly. So alrighty, so that's kind of what my experiment is for this one. Thank y'all.